Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dollface. I have earrings in for the first time in literally 12 years. I am so geeked. I literally shoved these earrings through my ears.
Are you dumb?
I was gonna get them re-pierced and like spend like money on getting them re-pierced, and then I was like, wait a minute, I'm kind of broke. And then I got the inspiration to film a tutorial because I haven't filmed a tutorial on my channel in a long time, and I feel like they're boring sometimes and no one really likes to watch them, but they're where I started my channel, so I'm like, let me just like revert back into my shell. It's the sticker. For primer today, I'm gonna use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. The consistency is a little interesting, but it's such a good primer, and it's a moisturizer also. I realized the other day that for me, when it comes to makeup, like, I'm not happy with my makeup ever unless I'm wearing a full beat face. I'm never gonna be one of those girls that's able to just throw on mascara and concealer and some blush and they look bomb as fuck, bro. Y'all take that shit for granted. Y'all take that shit for granted. You gotta be hella pretty to just pull off freaking, concealer, blush, and like mascara. You gotta be hella pretty for that. Deadass, because every time I do that, I just look worse than I would if I just went barefaced. Like, I swear. Like, my skin, on another level, baby. I'm telling you. Right now, I'm going through it. Like, my skin is really going through it. So, I think I'm going to do some concealer. Should I bring you guys closer? I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan to do some concealing under my makeup. See, like, for me, when I just put concealer under my eyes, I have all these acne scars, so it's like, I look stupid. Like, it looks like there's like coverage just right here and like a patch. So it's just like pointless for me. When other females do it, that shit looks good. So, I'm jelly of you pretty girls. Right now in Arizona, you're supposed to be self-quarantining, which I've been, ouch. Damn, bitch. Well, you're supposed to be self-quarantining, which I've been doing, because, just trying to avoid the spread of Miss Rona. I've been so proactive with these videos. Like, I've been popping them out, so I'm feeling pretty good about, like spending this time that I have to work on online school, obviously, but that's not gonna be, like, as rigorous as it would be if I was going to actual in-person classes, which, you know what, I'm not even mad about, because I'm a freshman in college and I'm in community college, and I already really wasn't feeling it at all. I'm like chilling with just doing my online stuff, doing YouTube, doing in-home workouts because I want to lose 30 pounds before like July, I think. I've also been watching hella movies. Like, if y'all haven't seen Freedom Writers, go watch that movie. It was so good. Like, I'd seen it before, but like it was a long time ago, and I recently just rewatched it, and it is such a good movie, and everyone should go watch it. By the way, foundation I'm using today is the Lancome foundation. Y'all know the one. This is in the shade 410 BISW. Do you notice anything different about me?
You got your earrings pierced?
When would I have done that? I just shoved them in.
What do you mean? You just shoved? Are you recording me?
I'm recording myself. I just shoved them in. Please be careful.
Juliana, what do you mean you just shoved them in?
I just shoved them in my ears.
How is that possible when you don't have any holes?
They've been pierced before, Jasmine. They closed up. Jasmine, seriously, that's probably what's making me freaking break out.
Well, do you want the corona?
Right, for concealer today, I'm gonna use the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. It's supposed to be like a soft matte concealer. I've been liking it. It's alright. This is in the shade Creme Brulee. I need to go see a dermatologist. My skin has been literally going crazy. I don't know what it is. Literally, like, I'm breaking out in hives, like, on my body. Because I haven't really been changing anything up in like what I've been wearing on my skin, so it's just like kind of just like sudden. Oh, I forgot that I bought this concealer. This is the new e.l.f. hydrating concealer. I wanted to try it out, so I'm also this one. Rachel Cantu said that she liked it, so I went and I got it. I'm gonna let my concealer dry down and then I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, now we're looking ghastly, but we're gonna fix that right now with some cream contour. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. Okay, now I'm gonna go into a couple of translucent powders. I like my Milk Makeup Blend Set Loose Powder, and I really also like the Maybelline Fit Me in Light Medium. They both serve two different purposes. This one is to set, but also to keep my highlighted areas highlighted. Then with the Fit Me one, this one has color to it. Sometimes I like to use this one under my eyes too when I'm not like gagging for a full ass like highlighted under eye and all that jazz. I'm just gonna take a really like, yeah, brush, dip it in there, and kind of set the areas that I didn't set with the other powder. There, we're going to just buff the powder in because I'm feeling like I need to, because my skin is looking very textured. This is a good hack if you have textured skin and you want it to look a little smoother. I might film a room tour after this. I promised someone that I would film a room tour. I've been kind of putting it off because my room isn't like, I just recently moved out, if you don't know, and I feel like I still need like its final touches. Like for the most part, it's unpacked. There's like maybe 1 or 2 boxes that for some reason I've been procrastinating on unpacking. For the most part, my room is unpacked. I just need like some curtains. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Island Ting. First of all, the packaging for this is elite. This is my favorite bronzer right now because it's like a really good shade for my skin tone. Get the chins, my love. I really want to go see a Harry Styles concert, but I don't even know if they're still having it because of everything that's going on. It's in August for me. But I want pit tickets because the last time I saw him, I had really bad tickets and it literally broke my whole heart. I cried for a week straight. I'm not even over exaggerating that. Like I would do anything to get pit tickets. Okay, I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit. You always want to hit it right here so that it could like force this part of your nose up to slant upwards. Is she for real? For blush, I'm gonna use my Anastasia blush kit. It looks like this. Ew, it looks like this. And I'm going to mix the coral shade with this terracotta. I'm gonna kind of feather my blush up towards my temples because I like to do my eyebrows off camera. Okay, I'm back with brows on. I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, which is weird because I stopped using that. Like I shut it down. I stopped using that product because I just didn't like it, but today it was alright. Okay, so I took like a little bit of a break because I had a breakdown because I was working so hard on the look and it didn't pop off as like I thought I would. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna go in with my ABH Jackie Aina palette and I'm gonna take the purple shade in here called Big Wig and I'm gonna stamp that in my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Pinker. We see each other. I'm gonna go in the shade Pinker and I'm gonna stamp that or blend it right above Big Wig. Now that we're under quarantine, I'm definitely gonna spend a lot more time trying to perfect some things. I feel like I figured a lot of things out, especially when it came to cut creases, and then like most of that knowledge is gone. Now I'm gonna take Supreme, which is like a really pretty pinky color, and I'm gonna take that right above that. Okay, so I started over. I think the base was too dry, so it just wasn't looking good, so I just took it off and I'm doing the exact same thing that I was telling you guys to do before. All right, now that we're finally where we need to be, kinda, I'm gonna go in with the Controversy palette by Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star, and I'm gonna take the shade called Expose, which is like my favorite color in the world. It's like this light lavender shade. These two colors right here are literally my 2 favorite colors in the entire planet. So I'm gonna add this to the very tippy taupe. Kind of, oh my lord. Lord have mercy. I think that looks alright. So now we finna cut the crease. I like to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and then I have this like Morphe brush that's like really tiny and rounded. This one right here. Hi, how are you? Like make it super thin. This is a M213, and then I cut the crease with it. I like to cut my crease not like from the inner corner, but like starting from like here, weirdly, and then I kind of just create a like swoop. So the cut crease looks like this. So now I'm gonna take the same shade, Expose, and I'm gonna pack that on the lid. Now that we look like this, I'm gonna take my glitter from glittermyworld.com. This is in the shade Slinky Silver, as well as some glitter primer or glitter glue from NYX. This is the one that I stay using. It's really affordable, and I've had it for like so long, and I'm still using it. And then I'm gonna take a Morphe 160, take some of the glitter glue, apply it to my eye, and then apply the glitter. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to talk while I do this. I used to do this all the time, and now I haven't done it in literally forever. So I don't know what's gonna happen right now, but I'm gonna try my absolute hardest. Okay, so the glitter is on. So now I'm gonna do some lashes. These are in the style Atlanta, I believe, or no, Dallas from Lily Lashes. I don't know if I put these in the wrong packaging, so they're either Dallas or Atlanta. We're back, and this is what it looks like. The lashes are but you know, for the sake of the video, let's move on. I'm gonna blend pinker on my lower lash line, but I'm also gonna bring the shadow all the way up to kind of carve out the cut crease, if you know what I'm saying. See how that just like pulled it all together. Now I'm just gonna take this lavender shade, Exposed, from the palette, and I'm gonna run that underneath. Then I'm gonna take Big Wig on a really dense, or what's it called, thin brush, and I'm just going to line right here on the outer corner. And now I'm gonna add mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess waterproof mascara. This stuff is actually really waterproof, so tea. For the inner corner, I'm going to take the shade Trust Issues from the Jackie Aina palette. It's just like kind of like a pressed iridescent glitter. For lips, I'm going to take the ColourPop lip liner in the shade BFF3, and then this Lime Crime Wet Cherry lip gloss in the shade Naked Cherry. This is the finished look. I forgot to mention that I also added a lipstick from Morphe. This is the shade Boo. This is like an actual stick lipstick, which is weird because I don't really use stick lipsticks, but this one is one of my go-tos sometimes. So yeah, I threw that bitch on there as well. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Whoa, love. That was a bit extra, that love. Don't forget to click that notification bell button so you get notified every time I post. We are under quarantine, or I'm under self-quarantine, so hopefully I'm gonna be able to get out like a buttload of videos. That's the plan. That's in action right now. Anyways, guys, I'll see you all in my next one.